In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an accounts receivable aging report in Xero. To get started, sign into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard, where you can access all of your financial tools and reports. Make sure you're in the correct organization before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one business in Xero. Next, go to the top menu and click Reporting. This is where Xero stores the key reports you'll use to monitor business performance, cash flow, and customer activity. Since we're focusing on receivables, we'll be using one of the aging reports that shows which customer invoices are still unpaid and how long they've been outstanding. In the Reports area, use the search bar to look for either Aged Receivables Summary or Aged Receivables Detail. The summary version gives you a higher-level view of balances by customer, while the detail version includes individual invoice information. Choose the option that best fits the level of detail you need. Once you see the report in the search results, open the Accounts Receivable Aging Report. This will take you into the report screen, where you can adjust the settings before generating the final view. Now choose the report date. This step is important because the aging report is based on a specific point in time. Selecting the right date helps ensure the report reflects exactly what was outstanding on that day, which is especially useful for month-end reviews, collections follow-up, or internal reporting. After setting the date, click Update or Run Report. Xero will refresh the report and calculate the outstanding receivables based on the date you selected. Once the report loads, review the outstanding invoices and customer balances. This gives you a quick snapshot of who owes money and how much is currently unpaid. It's a useful report for tracking overdue accounts and identifying customers who may need a payment reminder or follow-up. Then, analyze the aging periods shown in the report. You'll typically see columns for current amounts, as well as balances that are 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and older. These aging buckets help you understand how long invoices have remained unpaid and can highlight potential collection issues before they become bigger cash flow problems. If you need to save or share the report, click Export and choose the format you want, such as Excel, PDF, or Google Sheets. Exporting makes it easier to send the report to your team, include it in your records, or do additional analysis outside of Xero. Thanks for watching.